Now, every day is your birthday and I hit the flow. Every day is your birthday and I hit the flow. Every day is your birthday and I hit the flow. Hit the flow. I say hit the flow. Every day is your birthday and I hit the flow. Every day is your birthday and I hit the flow. Every day is your birthday and I hit the flow. Hit the flow. And let's work. Let's work. Let's work. Let's work.
What you think you're doing in here? Girl, I got 100 bottles of that rosé hose. They always be in my ear. Girl, I got a problem solver. Lean back and swallow. Make this nigga all disappear. Drop it, drop it. This your chance, girl. Money all in my pants, girl. It's your night, so
now every day is your birthday and I hit the flow. Every day is your birthday and I hit the flow. Every day is your birthday and I hit the flow. Hit the flow. I say hit the flow. Every day is your birthday and I hit the flow. Every day is your birthday and I hit the flow. Every day is your birthday and I hit the flow. Hit the flow. I say hit the flow. This goes out to the 305s, 718s, I mean all the states. Came back, man, with the drop top. You better call the cops, baby girl, just stop. This white chain on T-shirt. It's a Terrion, motherfucker, fast stop. Man, we on the floor all night. She wanna go crazy and plus I told you before, it's me, bitch. Y'all talk too much, I might be snitches. I don't do the dirty work, I do the dishes. I just lay the fuck back and just count my digits. Bring it back, come rewind. I could bug out, go crazy. I'm out my mind, got some rock on deck, got Patron on deck. Y'all crazy, man, you act like you know. She all on the floor with a spandex on. She got them red bottoms on, man, she gets it on. Man, I get it on. I just get to the tone with that buster flow.
Parties in your glass, you fill it up until you hit the room. Now hit the dance floor, that liquid courage always got you.
Check. 1, 2. Oh, no. Your attention, please. Your attention, I need it. So I can set you in a position from which I see it. Where I'm seated is scenic. Heavyweight or slim as the machinist or bulimic, which means you somewhere in between it. I take it back for you like the wild stallions or sand demons. I'm in the market for low mal, 360 Medinas and a good organic cleaners. My car always a wiener, your car's always pitted. We should call it Stanley Steamers. Most of my friends in gangs, my new nickname is Genghis Khan, but without the yay, but his last name's my side. I ride with that demeanors. I'm armed to the teeth, you're Venus, and you've never been to the Venus. School of Hard Knocks, I dean it, I done it, as well as a celebrated alumnus. I donate to the campus and my name's on the arenas. But you can't bring it to my court, not even with subpoenas. Cause you can't play my sport, but you can still cheerleaders, and you can't sit there. That section's for the seniors and the sexy senoritas, so just move up to the bleachers. How you gonna school me when I grew up with your teachers? I know that you can't hear me cause I blew up all the speakers, and the power line is hanging cause I threw up all the sneakers. I ate up the imposters and I chewed through all the pizzas. I blacked out with a blackout and I maxed out all the visas. Accreditation so prestigious. Just walk across my stage, your life will be completed. Don't need financial aid, cause this is just some free shit. You've been properly prepared, throw your hands up in the air. I'm red hot chili, I'm at